will show you guys. Oh. Here are the sweet potato. It's color pink. It's color pink. Kamay go kayo ni siya ba? Okay. Wala naputol. So here guys. It's very small. Kinarang naputol man siya. Lagi naputol lagi. Putol ba? Putol din siya. Putol. Na po din mga inanin. Mga din dili hapit na ngunod kay kukuton din nila. Naputol eh. Another one guys. Sweet potato. Makita ay itong kautan ng yuta. Tara. Kita. So, yeah. Diba? Asan tong sudanan ma? You know guys, I want to eat like sweet. So, and we are very far from the store. So I decided to get a sweet potato here in my garden. So yeah, so I need to grab that one. So here are all the sweet potato. I'm just getting my sweet potato because I want to eat like some sweet. So I decided to get my sweet potato here. So I need to find another sweet potato here because I'm not hungry. I want to eat something sweet. So yeah. No, nagurang ano. Ano daw? Another one guys. Sweet potato. Makita ay itong kautan ng yuta. Tara. Kita. So yeah. Everyone. So guys, it's another one. So I have three sweet potatoes. Okay. Diba? Nasambad man siya. Wala na. I have 3. So that's my banana guys. On the other. So it's bigger na. It's big na. This is my banana. It's already big. And also the other here. So I have 4. 4. Ito lang. Hi guys, my banana. So I have sweet potato. Hi.
We are to the fish and this is
Now we're going to get sweet potato here.
Sweet potato.
Potato.
And this is for me, my manga.
May manga. That is not manga. Mango. It's banana.
Mango.
Banana. Mm. May hapit unod. Kay nahorap na nani. So, I need to transfer. Because here, wala na kamo. Hala. There's kuan guys, snail. 3 snail. Look. A snail. I think here's the father, mother, and the child. Huh? Look, it's very big. And it's yellow. It's very big and it's yellow. Hala, naig na adyo, nakadumdum ko unod. May dali ragid kayo siya mangunod ni ingon ani ay gamay man. So, ha? So guys, I have a sweet potato guys, oh. I'll show you my sweet potato. So here, oh, look. Oh, diba? Asan to sudanan mo? Makakaon man tas merkado magpalit. Mantay kwarta aw manaw pa. Guys, oh sayang kayo guys. Sayang no. Pwede naman siya luwaan duro. Ay, nakuan man siya. Naman siya yung buko. May hatag rin si itik ma oh.
Ay, mulunggong ko na niya.
Kaning purple ba nga guy ba kay kuan ni siya lami ni siya kamote ay. Amis kaayo ba. Kuan purple. Bilang kay siya mangunod man no? Ay mangunod man siya pero dili kaayo. Labi lang dahon niya. Dili siya pareha sa kaning kuan ba orange o kaning puti nga guys. Ay kuan siya ano. Ha? Ngunod kay siya.